n8n is a no-code automation tool where you can make AI agents and you can also automate your day-to-day stuff. And the cost of this platform is $20 per month. But being an open source platform, you can also host it by yourself and save this cost. So there is only one requirement for this. You have to install Node.js, and all you have to do is go to Node.js website and download package accordingly. So I am on Windows, so I will install Node.js for Windows, and I am on this page, so I will just click on this Windows installer.msi and I will download it. So let's wait for it to finish and then I will install it. Once it's downloaded, just click next and enter your location where you want to install it, and Node.js will be installed. You don't have to do any extra steps. All you have to do is just click next and install it. That's it. Once this is installed, if you are on Windows, just go to command prompt and open your command prompt and type this command: npm install n8n-g. So it takes couple of minutes to install this tool, and once it is installed, all you have to do is just type n8n start and this will start the tool. And at the end of the result, it will show you this one link here, and you just copy it and paste it in your browser, and your n8n tool is accessible now. So when you are setting it up first time, you have to give some information like your email, first name, last name and password, and click on next. You can select the relevant information from here or you can just skip it. Just click on get started. Even in this free version, they have some enterprise features that you can access, but you have to request them. So when this prompt pops up, just enter your email address and click on send me freelances key. And copy this key from here. Now click on settings, usage and plan, and enter your activation key here. So your license is activated, and now you can make your workflows in n8n for free. And as you can see here, you don't have any limit. So it says 0 of unlimited here, right? So go back from settings. And now you're on the main screen and you can create your workflows here. So one thing that you have to take care is every time you want to access this link, you will have to go to command prompt and type this n8n start. And you can save this link. The link remains the same, but all you have to do is to type this command, and also make sure that your command prompt is running while you are using this. So that's it from today's video. I hope this helped you, and if you have enjoyed the content, then please like and subscribe the channel.